Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm fitting this cabinet. It's been a little bit tricky by myself, but I had the lady of the house give me a bit of a hand to lift it in. But I was pushing on this door, and the that top fell over, and I thought, uh-oh, I might have cracked it, but no, it fell onto a flat floor, and it was protected. Because it's super heavy, I'll have to have a lift with this one. When the bloke comes home at about 2:30, I'll get him to give me a lift. I'll have all this in and screwed up. So there are my studs. What I'm going to do is cut down, I'll put in probably 4 screws, there and there, because it's going to hold a bit of a weight. I'm at the moment screwing in screwing these holes in for the pipes. How I did that is I pushed the cabinet against the wall, got it right either side, marked around it, and I'm about to drill the holes now. So we've just got to move it out so I can get in. Tricky, tight, everything's tight, but hey, it's all right. Right, so that's the hole there. I want to be doing it a bit bigger than that. That's the bullseye. Centre. Helps if you switch it on. And we're through. Now the way I figured to get my timber out, if it's a bit stuck like it is now, screw a screw in. And reel it out. That's the easiest way I've found. I actually saw that on YouTube. I don't remember where, but thanks, buddy. It's amazing what you can learn on the tube. Okay, we're going left-handed. Wriggle it out. Oh, beautiful. One to go. Left-handed. Oh, it's getting a bit hot. That's brilliant. That's how you do it, folks. Heads or tails? Oh yeah. I win. Okay, what I'm going to do now, people, is I need to get out of there, get my, I can get my level. What I need to do, okay. That's my stud down there. So I need to cut some of my tile out so I'm not trying to drill through, because I'm going into steel as well. What's the height of my cabinet? Well, if I went 400, if I went 400 down there, I'm not gonna end up lower than my cabinet. 400. And I'll cut out couple of strips right down. Bash the tile out and we're laughing. Unless I find a masonry bit and drill through, I could do that too. I'll see. Okay, I've got to position this back in. After I've cut that. So I'll set myself up and come back. Yo, stay tuned.